Well, I think I know you. Hi Alia and hi Samar. Alia Harlankar and Samar Harlankar and Hazel.
Hazel?
Who doesn't want to show her face? Okay, meet members of the Fraser Canine Squad, the Indie Ninjas, and Alia was going to tell her story about what has happened to this nonsense dog and why is she here right now? Is she up for adoption?
She is up for adoption.
Yeah.
And so we found her on Promenade and Asai Road Cross.
Yeah.
And I was seeing her for like the past 2 weeks and she wasn't in such bad shape. But when we saw her like on I think May 1st, we found her.
She was in very bad shape.
Yeah,
Her
she
foot
in
was
very
so
bad,
bad.
yeah.
I saw
her
the
foot
pictures.
was swollen and stuff, so we picked her up immediately and we took her to the care HRBR there.
Yeah.
And they said that someone had tied a barbed wire around her.
She's the one with the barbed wire around her. This one I remember now so well. And she was just sitting there,
Yeah,
right?
she was just sitting there.
I know that picture.
They've given up basically. She was
So-
fully gone, very thin. She's thin now, but she was much thinner
She
then.
was awful. Yeah, and she's such a beauty and she was so patient. She just waited. Yeah.
So we picked her up and we took her to the vet and the vet said the barbed wire and then she had high fever. So she stayed at the HRBR layout for overnight and got all her tests done and stuff.
Yeah.
And then the next day we
Sorry.
Not at all.
the next day we sent her to the care Yala
Yeah, yeah.
and they were treating her there and she just came back home 2 days ago.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And you think, apart from showing us her butt, you think she's going to get herself a great home? I think she is. I think she is.
The only couple has already come and
yeah.
said they are willing to
Foster her.
Oh, that is so
They'll
wonderful.
decide overnight.
And they let us know by the
And which area do you know? Which area do they stay in?
They live in
Martha
Master.
Hari.
Okay, so we make them join our Marathali squad. Please make sure of that. This is how you create linkages and safety. Yeah. So Hazel, one big lift. One big lift.
Hazel
Let's
is
get
not
both of
bad
them
because
together.
Her first time ever in a park.
And look at her.
She's never been in a park.
Look at her.
Happy girl.
She's a happy girl. And a really big cheer for the Indian Ninjas and Strays Matter, Fraser Canine Squad, who just do amazing work. Amazing. They
And
just
this
are.
is her leg now.
Inspiration from
It's
you.
almost healed.
Look
90%
at
there.
that. Lot of that. Baby boy, you shut your dolly face. Look at that. You don't deserve this to happen to you.
So she's all fixed now.
And
She's running.
when we found her, the thing was really bad. The flesh had come out and you could see just her muscle and there were maggots.
So
And
it's down to the bone. There were maggots here.
yeah, thankfully they said that there wasn't a fracture. So,
Do you know how it is that you feel when you're alone? But when you're a part of a community, anything is possible. I know it sounds so cliched, but I think the strength that has been created, the empowerment is there's somebody at my back.
I
You know?
think she has taken great inspiration from the community, no question. Because now earlier I've raised dogs all my life, but in between I think I'd put a stone on my heart and would drive by dogs, would not stop. She doesn't let me drive. We stop. So we've been stopping and collecting creatures and
But it's hard. I mean, I'm not going to gainsay the fact that just because you know that you're not doing this for Alia, you're pretending to resist, but you know there's also a community behind you that we can, and there's also a little bit that we can do in terms of raising funds. So if she needs a foster, she needs care. I think this is the kind of circle that comes around us, and that's why dogs like her get saved. Otherwise, they will remain on the road.
no, if we didn't know that we had in our locality Strays Matters and you all around, we would never have, I think, had the inspiration.
So look at the number of people, in other like Electronic City, they've got a squad.
Yeah.
But the numbers we are not able to control the neutering. That is, once we get that fixed, we're done. So, baby doll, you're going to get a beautiful home and you got these gorgeous people with you. And keep doing all the lovely stuff that you do. And Samar, I know what you do behind. I know how much support you give. Alia and Priya does it too. Really, really
favorite
grateful.
person in the family is actually mom. She's in love with her.
She's a big wuss.